Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with Ontraport in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. In the ConvertBox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On our Ontraport integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your Ontraport account. Select Administration from the Your Account menu. Step 5. Select Integrations from the left-hand menu and then select Ontraport API Instructions and Key Manager. Step 6. Select New API Key above your API Key Manager. Step 7. Give your API integration a name. Select the Contact Owner from the drop-down menu and then click Save. The additional settings for the old API can be ignored. Step 8. Copy your app ID and API key that you just created. Step 9. Go back to the ConvertBox integration page for Ontraport. Give your account a name that will easily identify it and paste your API ID and API key into the fields below. Then click Connect to Ontraport to finish integrating your account.